stepping on his other
What?
foot.
Why are you looking at me? You're going to her. Come on, Yak. Get it.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, good
Oh
job.
my god. Look at you walk. Look at you walk. Bleh.
Look at you. Jack, come here.
He's got stinky leg.
You got a stinky leg?
You got a stinky leg?
End of the line.
Yeah, it's a really nice trail. I actually miss doing it.
Be careful because there could be cougars and bears on it.
Huh?
Huh?
Okay.
Be safe.
I'll be safe. Thank you.
Do you know how to like with a bear what to do?
Yes.
Okay, good.
All right,
Play
excellent.
dead.
Thank you very
They're
much.
black bears though. They're not.
Oh, the black bears?
Yeah,
No,
Easy.
you don't play dead.
You yell, you be
No,
big.
black bears are bigger than that.
Bye. Love you, bud.
Bye. You just don't be
I don't
safe.
kill you. Have fun.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Kanaka Creek. can't see it, but in there, there's thousands and thousands of tiny fish. Right now they're raising coho salmon. Look, you can see them try to jump up. Waterfall over there. The way the water carves through the rock reminds me of the bones inside us, our skelly, with the smooth features and the random holes that I guess the holes are for veins and arteries and nerves, but maybe the reason we have bones that are so smooth and shaped like that is because we're like just bags of liquid, bags of blood and meat and sinew and whatever guts. So the way water flows through us, it needs these smooth, wavy channels, just like we have here. And the way the inside of the bone looks too is porous, like these rocks are, like with the holes and all that. So yeah, something to think about. We are the earth, man. The rocks are our bones, man. The water's the blood, man. Take care of yourself and realize that you're just a bag of mushed together elements. Blood, meat, bones and guts and puke and bile and saliva and mucus, sinew, tendons, and all that good stuff mixed into one beautiful thing. So treat your body well and make sure that your bag of guts is the most highest functioning bag of guts in the world. Kanaka Creek complete. Did about 5.5K ish. I'd take my time. I was sitting at that creek for a while, and here's the route. Boom. Very beautiful, very lush and moist and rich in the air, and the sounds of nature were perfect. Now time to walk home. These skeeters are insane. Apple time. Oops. Can't wait to shower. Bear! What are you doing, Bear? What is the bear doing here? Huh? Is the bear guarding my shower? Is the bear guarding my shower? What's the bear doing here? 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 Mr. Bear, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Bear? I need a shower, Mr. Bear. What are you doing, Stinky? Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Oh. Oh. I know, Miko. Oh, I know. Oh, poor Loki getting kicked. Poor Loki getting kicked. Poor Loki getting kicked. What are you doing? What are you doing to him? Huh, Mix? So silly. Big puppy. You're a big baby. I know, you're such a big baby. I know. What's going on? Oh, Miko. What? You're so funny. You're funny.
I'm wearing pants because I don't want to shave my legs.
I'm wearing pants and I can stop caring.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm wearing pants, but I don't have to shave my legs. Here, I'll take them. I'll take them. Okay.
Whoa.
You're scooting?
Oh, you poopy butt. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're so funny. What's up, Miko? What's going on? What's going on? You screwed.
He's so happy. I love him so much. Yeah.
Oh my god, I hate when he does the circle and she scratches his butt.
Stinky boy.
Hey, Kaylee, can I give you my ID?
Even when you're surrounded by chaos, always make sure that your kit is all ready, just in case. You never know when you need to support the homies. Oh, Robin Hood. I did. This is the one.
Come on. Come on. Give me that fucking bear.
No, I'm gonna get scammed. You cocksucker.